Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have this unexpected build. It's a go-kart and it came with a Tecumseh engine. It has 2 extra spare tires. We paid $130 for it.
It was from a guy we knew at school. He just kind of told us, and we went and got it from him.
Yeah, so it's a 2-seater. It's a nice go-kart.
Came with the 5 horsepower Tecumseh. But
Yeah.
we're probably not going to use it for this build. We'll probably save it for a different build, but we're probably going to be changing it with like some Predator or Kiloton. Came with a really nice roll cage type roof thing.
Yeah, you could say.
It looks really nice together. Separated looks weird, but later on in the channel you guys will see how it's going to look together.
Well, even like this, it's not that bad. Like, it gives it.
Comment down below which colors we should do.
Yeah, because we're planning on repainting this thing. So it came with like a trashy sprocket,
And drum
some
brakes.
some drum brakes, which we are not going to use. Probably going to convert to hydraulic.
There's a slider 2-seater.
Yeah.
Slides.
So we did disassemble it just so you guys don't get the full picture, so you guys can like wait, so it can be a surprise at the end. But what you're gonna be seeing in these videos,
It's us rebuilding the axle,
yeah,
changing some steering components, later on painting it, new engine, probably a stage 2 upgrade kit.
yeah. We don't know the Tillotson 10 horsepower or the Predator 212cc. It is like $100 a difference if you include shipping off of Go Power Sports. So comment down below which engine we should use. But this video is gonna have a lot of different parts to it. Like, first, the next video is probably gonna be an axle video. So we're gonna be working on this a lot together, because this is like both of our projects, and we're really excited. Hopefully you guys are too. So you guys have to stay tuned, and yeah, just wait to see what this is gonna turn out to.
Enjoy.